You can import your enclosure for visual inspection and render superb 3D views of your design. Schematic picture hierarchy allows an intuitive representation of the logic beneath the hierarchy. A handy view of the 3D footprint allows you to select pins and get further information. The Via Stack-Up editor allows you to choose the priority for via placements, letting you track quicker through the layers. You can lasso any part of the design to see the 3D representation in isolation. A real-time heads-up display in the bottom right corner gives you the necessary feedback regarding the constraints that are set in the centralized constraint manager. Timing Vision takes the traffic light system to the next level. Now the colors of the tracks are not the layer color, but the adherence to the actual constraint. Click on any member in the matched group to highlight the entire group. You can simply lasso the nets you want, and Cadence PCB Editor will auto-delay and auto-phase tune them for you in seconds. Cross Probe allows you to select a component in the schematic and have it zoom to its location in PCB Editor. Users can lasso a section of logic and the components are ready to place in order on the PCB. Design reuse lets you use existing design IP inside the current design or across multiple designs. Once placed, you can align the modules and then space them evenly. It's not just for small LED blocks, it can be for very large processor reuse modules such as this one. The modules can be stored in a reuse library and are based on the imported logic. They can be flipped, rotated, or even disbanded for unique edits. Scribble or sketch routing lets you navigate a specific route for the track. Once you have sketched it, it will transform into a properly routed track for you. Contour routing lets you follow the curve of the flexi or any board outline. The PCB Suites now include SIG Explorer, allowing you to run pre-route and post-route signal integrity simulations. CIS allows you to place components from an engineer's database of approved parts, with all the information needed such as datasheet or 3D step model, for example. CIS also allows you to have a parent schematic with alternative variant views for printing and bill of materials and different builds. Manage your CIS database with CIP, allowing you to source part information from online distributors such as DigiKey, Farnell, Newark, Arrow and Mauser. Group routing is the smart way to track buses all in one go. The routes can be finished one by one, or you can use the right-click finish function. Push, shove, hug routing will either move other tracks out the way or hug to the fixed tracks. Virtual T-points can be placed as part of the net scheduling to allow timing and length matching rules from a centralized point. This makes DDR memory routing so much easier. The heads-up display gives you real-time color-coded feedback. Shielding via arrays can be used to hug the tracks that need protecting. The tools will place as many as possible, auto DRC, then removes any that don't comply. OrCAD Library Builder allows you to take a component manufacturer's datasheet and from that create the schematic symbol, the IPC footprint and the 3D step model in minutes. OrCAD Capture comes with every PCB suite along with PSpice Lite, allowing you to run small simulations, but it also comes with example designs and free training. The comparison matrix shows every feature of every level with a free tutorial video for each one. You can view this on our website. Just click the feature matrix